In this video, I'll show you how you can easily hide and protect locked chats on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app, then go to the Chats tab. You may see you have chats at the top. If you drag the screen down a bit, you'll reveal this locked chats option. Even though these locked chats are hidden, anyone who has access to your phone can swipe down, tap on it, and gain access to your locked chats if Face ID isn't set up. Now, I'll show you how to prevent that. To do this, tap on Settings. Here you need to turn off the option for hide locked chats. After that, tap on Create Secret Code. Choose a memorable code. For example, I'll enter good and hit Next. You'll need to confirm your code, then tap Done. Now you set a secret code for your locked chats. If you open WhatsApp again and drag down, the locked chats will remain hidden. To access your locked chats, you'll need to enter your secret code in the search box. Remember to enter it exactly as you set it, with the correct capitalization. For example, I'll turn off the Shift key and enter good. Once you do that, your locked chats will be visible, allowing you to enter them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.